Today, I'm going to talk about my Q3 project, Mount Budget. So this is budget apps. Before talking about apps, let me talk about the importance of saving money. The Benjamin Franklin said, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship." This is really true. When I always try to save money and I spend a lot of money, I realize I have many small spending, and I didn't know that. So here's my budget apps come. So Mud Budget help you to review your spending habit. So what did you buy? How much do you use for each categories? And also the people who want to control their spending. I try to save money, but I don't save money at all. Why? What is my problem? Tell me please. Let me show my budget apps. At this point, I don't have any login page or main page, but I can show my functionality. So here's what you can see. Here's a total spending and the average spending per month. And also, when I change the month, you can see how much money was spent on that month. Okay, and here is the list I spent for the entire year. And so first line still tell you where did you pay for and what date and how much you pay for that. And also you think, oh, I made a mistake on this input, and you can just make a change on here, such like this is mistake. Then you can just update and you can see the change. Also I'm not spending this money at all, then you just can simply go to here and delete. And that's what you can do. Also, you have an input option too. So if you want to add something manually, you can add from here too. Usually my apps use API to get all data from your bank account or credit account. So I don't usually use this one, but you have these options as well. And now let's see what you can do on these apps really. So for example, look at April or May. So May, I use like $1,000, but my average spend is like $995. And I can see like what did you buy on the month, and you can see something like where did I spend a lot. Like this. Obviously, this is April is more good example. Like you spend twice more than you supposed to be, but when you see the list, you see the big spending on here, the Apple Store. So you bought something at Apple, so you can see you're spending too much because you bought something from Apple. So this is the things you can use this budget. And also, if you know your income, um, you know like how much you spend compared to your income and how much you could save. That's what you can do too. But I wanted to add that feature, but at this point, I haven't added yet. So this is my kind of homework, homework for future. So this is a technology I use. Ionic version 1, AngularJS 1 point, Node.js, Kinect.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I never used Ionic before, so this time I took a long time to understand how to use it. Also, the Ionic using the old Angular JS, so a little bit different from what I learned before. So, but it was a good learning. And obviously, I have many things to improve. So these are the items I want to add, and my apps look nicer. Thank you for listening.